Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your JTOH kit. First, carefully unbox all components, ensuring nothing is missing. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static mat for safety. Begin by placing the main circuit board onto your workspace. This ensures a stable and secure foundation for the subsequent steps. Take your time with this initial preparation. Now, let's connect the core components. Gently align and seat the processor into its socket, then secure it with the lever. Next, connect the main power cable from your power supply to the 24-pin connector on the motherboard. Finally, insert your memory modules into their respective slots, applying even pressure until they click into place. These connections are crucial for proper function. With the hardware assembled, it's time for software. First, install your chosen operating system onto the storage drive, following the on-screen prompts. After installation, configure your network settings to connect to the internet. This allows you to download and install all essential drivers for your graphics card, chipset, and other peripherals. Proper drivers ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Finally, let's test and finalize your JTOH kit. Power on the system and observe for any error messages or unusual sounds. Confirm that your monitor, keyboard, and mouse are all recognized and working correctly. Once everything is verified, carefully close the kit's enclosure, ensuring all cables are tidy and airflow is unobstructed. Your new JTOH kit is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.